Hello everyone, this is Ian from the Lullaby Studio, and today we do have a newborn session scheduled here at Eastwood Richmond Hotel. Actually, hapon na ngayon kasi late na yung check-in time nila. So actually, 2 o'clock yung check-in time nila. So medyo late ang session natin for today. Currently, we are just waiting for them kasi paparating pa lang sila. So siguro around 30 minutes ba akong maghihintay. And now, we do have a baby boy scheduled today. I'm thinking he's already 2-week-old baby boy. No? So, mamaya makikita nyo siya dun sa shoot natin. So, currently, ito yung mga dala ko during the session. Ayan. I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo, pati yung maleta ko. Ayan, nakakart ako para madaling dalhin yung mga gamit ko, no? So, balikan ko kayo mamaya once before na tayo mag-start. Okay? So, ito na tayo. We will start na rin, no? Correcting myself, 1 month as a baby. So, by the way, may air heater ako to ensure na kahit pa paano warm pa rin si baby, no? Kasi, syempre, mainit rin yung panahon. So, lalo na yung clients, medyo naiinitan. Kung naiinitan, okay lang sila mag-aircon. At least meron tayong something to warm yung area natin, no? So, we will start na rin. So, mag-hyperlapse muna tayo. As for our setup, I usually ask the client if they have any preferred setup or poses dun sa gallery namin. Dun ko na rin binibase yung workflow ko for that session. A setup is defined as a change of pose, or a change of wrap, or a change of backdrop, or a change of prop, or a combination of any. But each setup has multiple variations such as same pose holding a doll, or may bonnet, etc. So, natapos kami ng around 2 hours kanina, no? Mabilis lang yung session with the baby. He was asleep all the time except nung bago kami mag-family, naggutom na siya. Naghintay lang ako ng saglit because we have to wait for the grandparents, no? Dun sa father side. So, siguro, we ended at about around 6:30 p.m. And late na rin naman kami nakapag-umpisa kanina, around almost 4 na rin kami nakapag-start kasi nag-setup pa ako. The nice thing about being a newborn photographer is that you hear yung mga stories ng mga parents, lalo na sa side ni mommy, no? Again, for this particular client, pang-apat na to si baby. So, she had a miscarriage nung the first 3. Sabi nga nila, it's in God's perfect timing, no? Kung para sa'yo, dadating yung para sa'yo. So, you just have to be patient. You just have to keep your faith. And just pray, no? And lalo na kung, syempre, di ba, sa mga dasal natin, minsan, kahit anong dasal natin, ilang prayers na tayo, minsan, hindi pa tayo binibigay ni Lord yung mga hinihiling natin. Kasi, kailangan muna nating i-prepare yung field natin, no? Yung sarili natin. Para pag binigay na ni Lord yung seed, naka-ready na tayo. Yun kasi yung gusto ni Lord. Minsan talaga dinidelay niya yung things na kasi baka hindi pa perfect time pag binigay sa atin ng maaga, baka mabaliwala rin. So again, it was a very touching story. Just keep on praying. Everything is in God's perfect time. Just surrender everything to Him. Kasi yung plano niya is better than ours. So, if you like this video, make sure to follow us on our socials. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Just search for The Lullaby Studio. And again, this is Ian, and thank you so much for watching.